put the sauce on it. Oh my God, it's hot. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat this, y'all. So there's only really one correct way to eat this. I don't care what nobody says. You take a bite and you open up the little pouch. Then you dip it back in the sauce. There's only one way to eat it. I really like to dress them up. I really like to, you know, put a lot of toppings on it. The sauce is a big game changer to just the dumpling. Just the dumpling isn't what I rave about. I feel like it's the sauce. So you create this little pouch for it when you bite into it, and you can pick up some of the sauce, and it's just like, it's so freaking good. Like, y'all gotta try it. Hey y'all, welcome back to another banging video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be eating dumplings with you guys. You wanna watch me eat dumplings? No. So I'm gonna be eating dumplings with you guys. So for those of you who are new here, I started posting content like this on my TikTok and it completely blew up and went viral. So a lot of my TikTok followers were like, why don't you do a video on YouTube eating dumplings and showing us how you dress it up? Because I make this one sauce for the dumplings that's like chef's kiss. It's amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and eat these dumplings with you guys as I answer some really common questions I've been getting a lot, like on my TikTok or just in general. Like everyone who knows me, they're like, Patricia, put me on. So I'm about to put you on right now. Anyways, before we get started, if y'all could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it because we're on the road to 10K. Let's get it. I'm just so excited. This is actually my dinner and I've been waiting all day to eat this. I'm very excited. So yeah, this is literally how the package comes. It's Bibigo. It comes in a big box and it comes with 6 packs of those in the box, in which there's 6 dumplings in here. You just put it just like this in the microwave for 2 minutes, okay? So it's really very, very simple to make. And yeah, you take it out. Oh my gosh. And they look like this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this. Well, I've tried it before and it's so good, but I'm so excited to just eat it with y'all. Hold on. Oh yeah. So yeah. So let me move some of this stuff around so y'all can see the dumplings and how I make it. I hope you guys have a pretty good view here. The first thing I like to do to my dumplings, and we're gonna move along here just because I don't want them to get cold. It does not taste the same when it's cold. I would know. You wanna put some hot honey on it. So I'm putting hot honey on it. I literally have to buy more hot honey. So yeah. Then this is the sauce it comes with. So in that big box where there are 6 packs of dumplings, it also comes with 6 individual sauces, which are really, really good. I used to always forget to put the sauce, and this is literally like my favorite soy sauce. I can't open it. Okay, here we go. So I like to put the sauce on it. Oh my God, it's hot. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat this, y'all. All right, so that's how it looks. And then up next, I like to put the chili crisps. These are the chili aioli crisps or whatever. I get these at Walmart because a lot of people ask me where I get them. Sometimes they get dried out really quick and people are like, how do you avoid that? You can't avoid that, but you just simply add oil, like olive oil, as it dries out. So mine is still like, you see juicy at the top, watery, because of the oil. So if yours dries out, just put more oil in it. So yeah, I'm gonna put, this makes a really big difference, like very, very big difference. So I recommend this a lot for you guys. Let me put some back here. All right, so once it's basically has a good amount of that sauce on it, I like to go in with some low sodium soy sauce from Target. and put it all over to just get it to be extra saucy, because the people who know me know I am sauce queen. And last but not least, put some seeds on it. Yum. Okay. So that's how it looks. I don't want to drip it. I mean, I don't want to drop it. It looks so good. Lots of flavor in there. I don't really use the soy sauce, but it was optional instead of the low sodium one for those who don't like to eat low sodium. Naturally, I know this stuff has a lot of sodium, so I try to like do a healthier option where I can, because it's not all the time that I do that. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna take a bite. I always say grace, so. Okay, I have my chopsticks here. I can attempt to eat it with chopsticks, but those who know me know how much of a fail it is every single time. So we'll try. I also like to like marinate it in there, so I hope it's marinated enough. But yeah, let's give it a try, y'all. It keeps falling. How the freak do people do this? It's a skill to use dumpling. Oh, here we go, here we go. Ready? So there's only really one correct way to eat this. I don't care what nobody says. You take a bite and you open up the little pouch. Then you dip it back in the sauce. There's only one way to eat it. I personally, you're leaving, Papa?
Yeah.
Bye, honey.
Yeah.
Love ya. Don't get home late. I personally like to eat it better with a spoon. You see? And like I said, you open a hole in the dumpling and you put it back in the juice. That's why I make a lot of extra sauce every time I make dumplings, because I'm gonna end up re-dipping it in there. And if you use a spoon, even better, because you can get some of the sauce on the spoon. Wow. These are amazing. It's my big cup here of water. But yeah, so like I said, that's how they look. I really like to dress them up. I really like to, you know, put a lot of toppings on it. Seeds are optional. You can put cilantro, green scallion. Oh, I have green scallion and I didn't put any in there. What a shame, because the green scallions make a big difference in there. So like if you want it to be like top notch, put the green scallions in there. You're gonna thank me later. So I also like to like grab the sauce and just pour it over the dumplings just so it like marinates a little bit. I grew up, my mom always told me you marinate your food. Like, I'm Latina, so we would have to like leave our chicken marinated overnight, things like that. So I just grew up with like feeling like I gotta marinate everything, and these dumplings is no different. So yeah, I mean, that's how I basically dress them up in that specific order. When I don't do it that order, it does not taste the same for some odd reason. So I suggest y'all do it in that specific order. And then the way to eat it, you literally, with a spoon or with the chopsticks, you bite into it and you create like a little pouch for it to absorb the sauce, like the juices. The sauce is a big game changer to just the dumpling. Just the dumpling isn't what I rave about. I feel like it's the sauce. So you create this little pouch for it when you bite into it, and you can pick up some of the sauce, and it's just like, it's so freaking good. Like, y'all gotta try it. So I'm gonna head over to TikTok and finish the rest of my dumplings over there, just because I feel like I have such a big community that's waiting for me over there to do that. In this video, I really just wanted to show you how I made the sauce, and which I did, and had 2 dumplings with you guys. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. I really want to know like if you guys try this at home and if you guys like it. This is one of my favorite like go-to meals. It's very much like comfort food. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I would eat this again. I eat this all the time. It's like comfort food. It's not the worst for you. It's not the best for you. Like, I feel like it's just good. It's like a balance. So I want y'all to try it and let me know how it goes. Let me know if you like the sauce. Let me know if you do this any differently. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we're on the road to 10K and I'm so excited. I'm very grateful for each and every one of you guys. Go ahead and head over to my TikTok, which is Patricia Isabelle, if you guys want to see me eat the rest of these dumplings and just to see me eat dumplings in general, because I feel like my page has really turned into like dumplings all over my page. So if y'all want to see more of this stuff, head over to the TikTok because that's where it's at. You feel me? But yeah, I'm glad I was able to show you guys how I make my sauce. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.